so good. Ngeke ukufika enkaba. Ngena lalela. Akukhona kuyakini la. Lapha ama social media niyazizwa ukuthi nithini ngathi. Ngiyabothi siziqhude.
Sikhathele ngalabantu sifuna amashangana abuyele kwala kubo. Sikhathele amaphoyisa afuna ukushama thiyagesa la. Imetropolis la ungabaphethe amathiyagesa. Why bafuna ukushama amathiyagesa?
Operating in a big shop like that without a permit. So you must close. No. You must close
this place.
Close the shop.
Close
the shop. Okay, we are going to close for you.
How much your lock is? Let's buy this lock and lock.
If you want to close
them
by yourself, we are going to close. Buy the lock. This is New Space Supermarket. This is the one that is in charge. The Chinese official, the workers here are being paid about 700 rand. And these are the foreigners. Hey, where are you going? Wakuphi?
Esemapoti.
Wasemapoti. Usuka emapoti otshutshithi la.
Sorry lo ngiyaxolisa.
Bethuna. Isiqa sibi.
We don't do those things to them, but they are doing things that it's painful to us. They are calling us names. How stupid we are as South African. We are just lazy. But in our own country, can they live?
Welcome back to my channel. I have this collection of videos that I came across on social media. Then I decided to do a compilation for you so that each and every time you come to this channel, you have something to watch. You have an update of what is happening around South Africa. You know, there are so many things that has been happening here in South Africa ever since this march has started. Do you know what the march called? It's March to March. This march is intending to remove all the illegal foreigners that are occupying business space here in South Africa. So it started in Durban. We've seen a lot of videos whereby a group of South Africans decided to go to the street, decided to march against these illegal foreigners. So they've started going shop to shop, asking the shop owners if they have necessary papers to run the business. They went to the streets to ask the street vendors if they do have necessary papers to run those businesses. Because as we all know that if you come to another country as a foreigner, you're supposed to have necessary papers to come and do business in that country. Here in South Africa is the same. There's no difference. So we will see a lot of foreigners being stopped on the road, being stopped in their workplaces, being asked papers and documentaries that they are supposed to be having, as I have said. In this collection of videos, again, it's South Africans who have felt like the government is not doing anything for them. This group of South Africans, they've decided to take their complaint to the street. This thing has been happening. There were a lot of complaints raised. There's been a lot of arguments through social media whereby South Africans were expressing their views regarding illegal foreigners. We have a lot of problems here in South Africa as a country. We have a lot of young people, youth that are educated, youth that have matric and finished school, but a lot of them, they are not working. A lot of them, they are sitting at home with their qualifications. So South Africans felt like, no, this is not fair for them because they fought for these countries, their parents and our parents as well, because I am also a South African. I'm speaking on behalf of my brothers and sisters. Our parents fight for the freedom of this country, but we feel like our kids and us, we're not enjoying this freedom because of so many foreigners that have decided to leave their countries because of so many reasons to come here to look for better opportunities. That's not a problem. That's not a problem, but you need to have papers. You need to have documents that allows you to be here legal, so that you are known, so that we are aware that we are here, we are existing in the country. There are so many things that happens if a country has illegal foreigners, a lot of undocumented foreigners, because of those people are untraceable. So we have a lot of crime in South Africa. We have a lot of things that are happening in South Africa. No, the police are not managing to do their jobs. The police are not managing to keep people behind bars, because a lot of people who commit those crimes are untraceable. So this is a big problem, and it's not even a South African problem. The world is going through this problem. So these videos, you will see what is happening here in South Africa, and please get this in your mind. South Africans are not xenophobic. South Africans are trying to get their country back, are trying to fight for their country, because of so many things has been happening in South Africa. So many foreigners has taken an advantage of foreigners. In South Africa, we have a problem of drugs. Drugs came here. We started knowing about drugs because of illegal foreigners. We started knowing about drugs because of people from outside South Africa. So these are the problems that South Africans has raised several times. They decided to say enough is enough. So they decided to take this opportunity and go to the street and march for their country and march for their land. Please like this video and don't forget to follow this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so that each and every time when we give you an update just like this one, it comes to you.
Sikhathele ngalabantu sifuna amahlangano abuyele kwela kubo. Sikhathele amaphoyisa afuna ukushaya amathiyagesa la imetropolis na ungabaphatha amathiyagesa why bafuna ukushaya amathiyagesa awafuni sihambe ngeroute yethu bona afuna ukusicontrola afika amahlangano la nama-Nigeria la adayisa ama-drugs la.
Bafo mengabuza mhlawumbe ngabe bekuyiphi route yenu edesignated ukuthi nizohamba kuyona?
Sifuna thina ukuhamba ngasemafletini asibone ukuthi asidingi la asiwadingi la wona afuna ukusihambisa ngasemadrobheni phakathi asiyifunde yona ama-route ethu awazi size la ngoba sikhathele yona shangala.
Sure.
Yeah, there's chaos. The guy that was speaking on a mic was saying the police are stopping us. We know which route that we wanted to take, and then they are refusing us that to use that route because we know in the streets that's where Nigerians stay. So basically, the police are controlling the situation. The police knows exactly where the people that are marching wants to go. So they are trying to control the situation. They are trying to avoid violence. You know, they are doing their jobs. So we can't blame the police. We see this clip, the first clip that we have seen here, it's like they saved also a Nigerian guy. He's a Nigerian, I heard when he was speaking. They saved him because you can see that the group of South Africans, they really wanted to put their hands on that guy. So thanks to our police for saving our African brother. Yeah, as I said in the beginning, South Africans are very angry. They've decided to take action. They've decided to go outside and fight for themselves because they believe that our law enforcement are on the side of the foreigners. They actually protecting foreigners. They are taking bribes from foreigners. The reason why these shops are all over and operating without a problem is because they bribe the police. So South African citizen has that problem as well. So that is why sometimes we see them like uncontrollable, especially in front of the police. If you don't know, you won't understand. You think these people are hooligans. Can't they have that problem with it? Police accept bribe.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Hey, you don't try to run away, you. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57. Wait, no, let's go south here. Hold on. Yeah, ma'am.
What's Eswatini?
What's Eswatini? Oh,
Yeah.
what's Eswatini? What's the members of
Where's the big boss? Big boss.
Boss.
So this is the big boss, the owner of this company that hires more than 60 illegal immigrants. It doesn't even have one. He claims he has one South African, but we don't even see that South African. So today, Baba, you are going to be counted. You're going to sleep in a cell. Ne?
Sesimisile operation kule ndawo yaseCleude exosha abasebenzi abawu70 akusenzeki lutho akusanyakazi lutho ngoba sifica ama foreign esebenza siwatshelile nawe uthi akakeme kancane ngeke kho umuntu ozosebenza la abafowethu laba belahlwe eminyango akho operation ezokwenzeka. What are you doing there, my man? Because we told you that nobody is working now.
Okay.
I said don't touch anything.
When you are the foreigner.
I said don't touch anything. You are not allowed. You are not allowed.
You see what is happening? This is the problem. This is the exact problem that South Africans are complaining about. This guy is a foreigner. He's probably an illegal foreigner. He has hired almost 70 people, illegal foreigners. No South African. The lady was counting them one by one. My guy, like, common sense, my guy. Can't you, like, think at least get 20, half of the number, and then you put South Africans for situations like this? If you had a group of at least South Africans, maybe we have something to say, or maybe an opportunity to just present the South Africans, and then you know the illegal ones, they are there at the back. But now you just decided to go with cheap labor, to go with illegal foreigners, all of them, while our sisters and brothers are sitting at home jobless.
Close the shop, my friend. Close the shop. Close the shop. Close the shop. You don't have the permit to conduct business here. You don't have. I know you don't have. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you, you don't have the permit.
I already have, boss.
Let me see the permit. It's a business permit.
Yeah, business permit.
Yeah, where did you get it from?
Where is it?
Where did you get it from?
This Pretoria.
Yeah,
Yes.
but this is not Pretoria. This is Ekurhuleni.
It's a business paper to give only for get this.
Yeah, but you
Pretoria.
listen. Ekurhuleni municipality
Yes.
is supposed to give business permits because they are the ones. They are the local government. So you can't get a business, and this is not a business permit. Do you know a business permit? Do you know what is a?
I know this.
Do you know what is a business permit?
I know this.
A business permit is something that you get from the municipality. The municipality is saying you are owning the shop. You are from Bangladesh. You are owning the shop here. You are selling 1, 2, 3. Now we just found you are putting meat and juices for the kids in the same fridge, which is wrong. Because you are not supposed to mix those things. The juices are supposed to go into the other fridge, and the meat is supposed to be in the other fridge.
No, I didn't put.
Yeah, I was there. I was there.
Please.
I was there.
This is another.
No, it's not my first time in this shop. I was there.
You come in, I
Yes.
know, this uncle, everyone I know.
Yeah, you know.
Sometimes it's coming here, I know everything.
Yeah, but you don't have a business permit to conduct business here. You are not supposed to go and close the shop and go and get the permit from the municipality. Otherwise, my brother, I will chain the shop. I will close the shop and chain it myself. I'm asking you nicely. I'm not taking anything from you. I'm not taking your money. I'm not taking your stock, and I'm not disturbing anything. I'm asking you to close the shop and go and get the permit from the municipality. You are not supposed to operate without a business permit because we don't know. If you do anything wrong here, we don't know where we are wrong.
You don't know this motion. I know this motion. This one, man, I know this motion.
Yeah.
So it's long time he's working this shop.
Yeah.
So it's a box bar.
Yeah.
How is going, maybe he's coming to the.
Yeah, so close the shop until they come.
No, I'm calling this guy. So this guy is coming. So.
Who is this guy? The owner?
Now is maybe box.
You are calling the owner.
Yeah.
The owner is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying close the shop.
Close so long.
Close the shop. And then the owner, when he comes, then that's when we're going to discuss that with him. But close the shop now and sit in the car. Do that, please. Comment. Please do that now. You have to pay this lady. Pay her. When we are Zala, when it's not so discuss of Zala team. For sec. Please, for Baba Mia Galangan, Tinasna Scat of Zala Pelatin. Bafo, hello. Close the shop now. So come on, close the shop now, please. Do that now. No, don't call him. Close the shop. You said you call him. You said he's coming. You said he's coming. I'm saying close the shop and sit in the car. Let's wait for him outside. Let's wait for him outside the shop. Guys, are you understanding me? I don't care whether you call him. I asked you to call him. Yeah, so come out of the till. Why, when I'm peaceful, you are trying to be violent with me? Come out of the till, go to your car. Or wait outside here. Close the shop and call this guy.
Okay, I'm just closing there.
No, you have to be outside.
No, I just inside the middle.
We will close the shop.
Which guy?
That guy. What is he doing here?
No, we give the ladies notice.
Which lady?
Yes, that mom.
Hello, Naba. Awusuzwanga sakhuluma sathini? Awusuzwanga? Kho manje? Yini king? Awukazuzwa? Awuzwanga? Phuma la hamba. Hello? Sir, these ladies are working here, not this guy.
Okay.
Not this guy.
Yes.
I will close this shop.
No, next time.
I will close your shop. I will close your shop.
You see,
listen to me. I'm not joking with you.
Okay.
I am not joking with you. I respect you as a man, but you don't treat me like a child. All right. We don't need foreigners. You have a shop. If this is a salon, these ladies from now they are owning this salon. Okay, Mondis, sukela namhlanje yini enizokhokha irent la, yinina enizosebenza abantu la. Ngoba vele yini enisebenzayo. Kusukela manje, ngiyangizwa. Angisafune umuntu okuzothiwa owner le salon. Sir, in the morning I will come and have a meeting with you, and then we'll help these ladies afford the rent, afford the equipment. I will help them. But please, we don't need foreigners in shop. I will close your shop.
No.
If you do this, if you carry on with this nonsense, I will close your shop. I'm not joking. Okay, c'est bon. Sorry.
Take your car.
Mina nimpilo mina na umpela wanyanga buya ngifanele nikhokhe mina lapha emkashweni lapha njala khona fanele nikhokhe mina irent yabo manje ke mawuthi wenda uthi mina nivale angiyazi ukuthi mina ngizophila kanjani yabo angiyazi ukuthi mina ngizophila kanjani yebo ningakhuluma ngoba uzojabulela lele ndo mina nishoyo ngoba amuyingeni kwetha mina kubuntu kwami mina ngiyabona ngibona ukuthi mina ngizophila kanjani Wena uyayikhulumela nje ukhulume lokhu ukufunayo lokhu uyayikhulumela nje abeni jikelele umuntu ubanele nolungelo ukhulumela
akho lapha eSouth Africa thatha into zakho endaweni ebathi thatha nasi into zakho by price
hayi wena ngiqoshela abasebenzi
ngala
Yes,
kanjani ngiyasazi isizulu ukuthi awuhloniphi kanjani uma endleleni la kube khona abantu ezweni okungalone lapho wenzani la edolobheni ngoba senicelile izolo ukuthi hlalani endlini wenzani uyithenga yini ufuna ukuyithenga baba yini ufuna ukuyithenga yeah uyabona ukuthi niyasedelela uyakwazi ukwedelela ukuthi yini uyabona ukuthi niyasedelela baba kanjani ufunani la kwaNongoma una amaphepha okubala kwaNongoma una amaphepha okubala kwaNongoma nifunani la kwaNongoma njengoba uzoma nje ungadedelisha abantu badedela wena la endleleni la uyisifiki abantu bazedela wena la endleleni umile endleleni uyicofela ifoni abantu bavimbekile endleleni uzokwenzani la kwaNongoma icala lakho ukuthi usezweni okungafanele ngabe ukulona use-South Africa that is yocala use-South Africa awunawo amaphepha awunazo izinto ezikufaka asikwazi thina nomuntu lapho uthi uqhamuka khona sazi noma uqhamuka khona unayo into ekufakazela ukuthi uqhamuka khona ikhona into oyiphethe short awuthi ngiyibone no hey yazi bafo kusala ku thula ungangidazela inkani ngaloko uthi ungidazela inkani
cha mina ngiphendule noma ngibuza
thula uhlala kuphi
Kolindezi
hamba ke mfowethu uyakhona njengamanje
Kolindezi
hamba njengamanje ekhona uyohlala khona asinidingi la edolobheni
uthi ngani bye
uyezwa bafo
ngiyabuzwa baba
yeah hamba
ngingazomhlolisha kuboniswana phela ngiyabuzwa
hamba phela
Mabahambe, you can see for yourself. I mean, you can see for yourself in the clips that I'm showing you. This is why I said these are the collection of clips. These are different events, different places. And then you can see these are all illegal foreigners doing illegal business. I'm going to say illegal business because if you don't comply with the law, you are illegal and doing illegal practices. So you can see these guys abo ngizwe they are doing a very good job. Nobafo lona igama lakhe ngiyakhohlwa is doing a very good job. He has been all over social media by the way because of this March to March, and abaqalile bona manje they've been campaigning, they've been fighting illegal foreigners there, mostly in KZN and in Devon. They've been fighting for their land, which is a good thing. Nami ngomZulu, they make me proud, even though I'm based here in Gauteng. They make me proud, Mangona Bafred, to fighting the fight that they are fighting. And we heard that soon they're gonna move to Gauteng. I heard them saying in one of the videos that I might post after this one. That is why it's important for you to subscribe here so that you can get this update. So that each and every time when I give you videos like this and you keep you become informed. So they are planning to move this march from Eastern Cape or from East London rather to Johannesburg town. I heard them saying they're gonna go to Heathrow, they're gonna go to Point, they're gonna have a barbed wire fence, they're gonna close the streets there, and then no one will go out. They will want everyone to produce papers. These guys, they know all the places. They know a lot of places that are occupied by illegal foreigners. So they don't just go like headless chickens without knowing where they are going. They know exactly the place that they are targeting. You know. So like the video, write your comment in the comment section. I've already said my comment. My comment is congratulations. They are doing a very good job. They are fighting for us. They are trying at least to bring our country back. I know a lot of brothers and sisters from outside South Africa or foreigners. Even when you are watching me from your country, you might feel otherwise about what I'm saying about these videos. But this is the situation, and it is nothing we can do about it as South Africans. We have to stand up. We have to fight for our country. We have to do what is right for us and for our kids and for our grandkids, kids of our kids. So this is our war. I have said it in the previous video that I've posted that this is not our parents' war. This is our war. This is this generation's war. So let's keep going.
Nani ngoba nifike ningabo ukufika kulelizwe kodwa njengamanje ufika nezingane ezingaka mana lawe lezi ngane lezi azinalutho ayifundi nje isikole lezi ngane nawe awunalutho ukuvumela ukuthi ube la kulezi wena wenzani lapha eSouth Africa yini ofisi nayo sebenza ini
eSouth Africa abantu ngoba kunenhlanzi ngale bathi uyokuthela inini lokufish
bathi
ofune mhlawumbe mavumba kanje lokho kukhipha inhlanzi yamanzi
afuna ubani lemawo
abantu bafuna sebenza ukuthi umuntu lawa abafana bakwazi
into engibuze kanje yini umsebenzi wakho la eSouth Africa
mina angisebenzi ukuthi
sebenza ngale namhlanje la kwaNongoma ehlala Nkosi ezweni lamakhosi landela abafana ngithela abafana balesela bazokwenza bazolusa inkomo lo ngamthola efonini hayi lalela akunankinga mlewethu uzotholakala wena nalabafana hayi nizobe nise-police station
umuntu bamfundisa anti wena usenzela uma uphindula ubona ukuthi indoda nakubona liyalanga nawuqolelana mina ngeke ngisaphile niyenze lelo
uyazi mina nguzo
ngithina namuzo namuzo ngicela ukuqola ngiphindela ngemuva
uzophindela emuva kanjani bese lo sisomletha abafana
ngizomtshela ukuthi nepha nibanjemile abantu oseselani besizwe abona bafundisa bathi na siphindile emuva singayenzi lento ukuthi thatha abafana bazosebenza
uzotshelwa yithi lokho sithe wena mfonele simtshele
ukuthi namba kayingene kwamanje ethi sisibhedlela
mfonele mina ngizokhuluma naye mina angithi wena mangabe ngangeni uzobuka ugcineke kahle emaphoyiseni uzoza naye ezochazela amaphoyisa ukuthi uyazi ngalabafana yini wena naye yini nibalungisele yona ukuthi baze babike abanazo nimvume labafana asinandawo thina eKongo la ngoba uthi wena indawo yakho leyo nezinye indawo ezinye eKongo thina sinandawo indawo esinayo thina yiyo le esithathwe
Thina siyofela la
nakhona uyithathile nje akwazi ukufela kuwo iyofela ukufela kuwo okumuso wasonkulunkulu
uyakela ukufika enkaba lalela akukhona kuyakila lapha ama-social media niyazizwa ukuthi nithini ngathi niyakothi siziqhude
mina ngibona ngikhuluma mina
lalela baba lalela uyabona siniyekile nina nisebenza long years la anizenizwe
Ukuthi 2012 lokho
so ngaleyo ndlela abakini basibiza iqhude basibiza empeni sesikhona ke manje pack and go back to your
hambani phela bafuna ukushena
into kwethiwe yabona nje lento sitshela yona wena
mase ukuthi ngenzaka
pack and go mfana kithi
mina bona ukuthi ngikudla ngamazinyo basekhuluma
yebo asinesabi baba
ngiyabuza ngithumeleni ngiyakushotha vele ngiyakushotha ukuthi ushade nalo sisi but uma ngabe sifika la man uma sifika la sizofuna ipermit ukhuluma ukwayisa kwakho ulamanga ngathi ngithuka ngathi ngithi ngithuka wena uma ngabe uthi umthetho uma ngabe kukhona wena wedwa la ungayikhiphi ipermit yomkakho kumele impahla ayithathe angizwanga ngase ngifakile thanda namanje ngakufaka ngiyakutshela thanda ngakufaki namanje ngikufakile namanje phambi kwametro lo metro wenu ngithi nithena ngeke sinenze lutho ngenxa yametro hayi hambi eZimbabwe wena uyakufuna uthi hamba eMozambique go to Mozambique angithuthi ngiyakutshela uzosikhulumela kweyisala wena nemashanga nifusekani yeyisa lona umfazi wakhe abahambe bonke nani futhi ngakho kunye yini wenzani la nengubo zakho ngabe eMozambique niyajwayela
yeah kuningi the first clip ubaba nengane zakhe zabafana ubaba akanawo amaphepha, ingane zakhe zabafana azinawo amaphepha. Ubaba akasebenzi lana, uthi ingane ulithile ukuthi ziyolusa inkomo. Ngitsheleke nje leyo misebenzi leyo, imisebenzi ongawusukele ezweni lakho lelo ukuthi uze eSouth Africa uzolusa inkomo. Let me translate what I just said in English. The men that we have seen in these 3 clips that I have played, the first clip is caught with his kids, with his sons. I think it's like 3 or 2 sons. They are asking him, what is he doing here? What is his job? What is his contribution here in the country? Why is he here? He says he's not working. They are asking the reason why he came to here, to this country. He's saying no, he's not working, he's not doing anything. They are asking specifically, what are you doing here? And then you have your boys here undocumented, you also undocumented. What is happening? So he's explaining that he's sending his boy to the person that he's trying to call, because he was on a call trying to call someone. Because the guys say, oh, the person that is no longer answering your calls now. So he's sending his boys to go and do some work there. The work that he's talking about is please help me on the comment section, translate ukulusa for me in the comment section. Help me to translate ukulusa. Ukulusa uthatha inkomo uyise ehlathini for some certain time, and then you bring them back esibayeni. So abafana bazolusa, this is why I'm like, ungasuka ezweni lakho nabafana bakho ukuthi bezothola umsebenzi eSouth Africa. So it is a problem.
Eqaleni uthe ingane ayibalekanga mama. Uyabona ukuthi uyona. Ingane zalwa uwa ngithi. Sizalwa uwa ngithi. Iphe zalwa uwa. Yeah, uyabona mama ukuthi wrong lebenza. La mina ngikuvikelile abafana bekukhulumisa kabi la. Akuvikela mina ngoba umama. Lapha kwaZulu umuntu wesifazane siyamhlonipha, siyamthanda. But uma uzoba umama wena ongafuni kuba umama senze njani? Mawuba umama ongafuni kuba umama senze njani ke thina? Uyibalekiselana lezi ngane ngoba asilwi thina. Sifuna into eqondile. Lezi ngane ayihambe ibuyele emakhaya. Yenzani le ngane la ngoba incane kanje? Hey, mama, please. Umama eMozambique umama. Umama lapha kwaZulu umama. Awukho umehluko. Ungumama kimi. Yiba umama. Asixabani nani bafowethu, asilwi nani. Ngeke nikwazi ukusuka le ngakini bafowethu nizodala isinyokotho esimbi kanjena edolobheni. Ngeke nikwazi ukwenza leyo nto leyo. So bhalisani nonke la sizoba nomhlangano nani sikhulume nani. Asilwi nani. Msana usiqova ngoba sizokunincenga senincengile phela. Mhlawumbe funa sikusho ukucaca lokho senincengile. Hayi phela. Bhala ingane zakho uyibhalile lo bhala nengane yakho. Bashiyeleni iphepha sizothatha kuye nomama. Awunalo. Kanjani? Ngengane edolobheni. Engane edolobheni. Ungasho futhi ngekani kimi, ungasho kimi ukuthi ha. Hello. Have manners. I'm not your fucking friend. Have manners when you are talking to me. I'm a South African and you are not a South African. I'm trying to teach you. Shut up. Shut up. It's not a. It's a fine. It's not a paper. It's not a fine. It's a fine. It's not a permit.
No, I'm not talking about this one. I get the paper to round here.
You gave me the paper.
That paper.
Where is the paper? Where's the paper?
This one I get.
Where's the paper? Where's the paper? You have a business. Do you have a business permit?
I'm not talking about the business permit.
You have a business permit.
I'm not talking about the business
So
permit.
please don't waste my time. My brother, please. Okay. I'm very nice to you. I'm saying I don't need you here in town. All of you.
Stuff there.
No, it's fine. That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. That's all I want to know. You are coming to fetch your stuff. Take your stuff and go to your house. Please, just do that. No, it's fine. It's fine. I just need that answer because I don't want any foreigner walking here in the streets and I don't know what they are doing. Okay. So, and please advise this man here. He mustn't shout at me because I'm not joking with him. Yesterday he bluffed me and gave me a fine and he said it's a permit. You have to have a business permit and you have to have 5 million rand in the bank. to conduct a business in South Africa. You can't just come in South Africa and sell these things here. So I'm stopping all that nonsense. If the guy from the municipality gave you that paper, bring that guy to me. Don't fight with me. Just bring the guy that gave you that paper. Bring him to me. Then I will show you that even him, he's a moron. So please don't wander around in the streets. Go to your houses. Not here in town. I don't need any foreigners in town. In this town.
Yeah, no. Silo kunjalo nje. Silo kunjalo nje. Abafana baloku benjalo ngomsebenzi benza kanjalo bathi phuma eforeigner kungena umuntu. Yeah, silo kunjalo. I know this guy from social media. I think he's on Facebook. I know him from Facebook. I didn't know that he has joined this campaign. He's doing a very good job to fight for his country, to fight for our country. So bullet clip, I think the last guy is that he was speaking to us Zimbabweans, because of some people, they just think in you can't ask them. So if you have listened to the attitude of this guy in the beginning, I'm born who are you? Like, is that kind of guy who needs the attitude to ban, and then he tried to raise his voice with a commanding voice so that he can have a conversation. So these are the things that we are going through. These are the things that
we cannot really afford a South African to sit back, allow illegal undocumented foreign nationals to destroy our country, a country with the highest unemployment rate in the world. 12 million of South Africans are unemployed. 54% of our people don't know where the next meal is going to come from. They are taking away businesses, particularly in the poor communities. They are bringing billions of counterfeits, expired goods, sell them to poor communities. We want to encourage other South Africans all over the country. Let's get this government to start the mass deportation of illegal foreigners, even those who acquired our citizenship in a fraudulent manner.
Khuluma nyana. Idizili nitsengisela bani?
Nyembani.
Wakumnyembani.
Wezinkomazi.
La kwathi hlala khona.
Iye kwathi.
La matractor ngwatshutshela ayiphi company?
Angathi ukuthi ayiphi company noma yini company etshontshela.
Noma bengiphi company etshontshela. Ngelanga nokuthatha how many liters?
New 3 to 580 coupe.
580 coupe. I think how many liters loy? That 550 coupe how many liters?
Kulisa lo mthatha. Kulisa.
100 liters loy.
Ngenza phi?
San wena 23 rand or 33 rand nyalo times 100 liters. I think malini loy?
Lo mthatha ngenza phinza. Please ngicela ngenza phi.
Why ningafuna umsebenzi?
Yalisebenza nyalo. Yalisebenza nyalo mthatha. Sebusikomile.
Ningakho lentshontsho idizili. Ningakho lentshontsho idizili.
Labantu bathola bantshontsha la idizili.
Bobani magama abo?
Labo bathola idolo.
Bobani magama abo?
Bomavuta.
Nabani? Wakuphi wena?
Wasemaputo.
Wasemaputo. Usuka emaputo utshontsha idizili la.
Sorry lo mthatha Xolisa mthatha. Xolisa kakhulu. Ngenza busy kwena lo mthatha.
Different countries, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Ghana, Nigeria. Last in this year, we saw our South African in Nigeria. They were naked, running on the street. How do we feel as South African? We don't do those things to them, but they are doing things that is painful to us. They are calling us names. How stupid we are as South African. We are just lazy. But in our own country, can they live? Can they leave? We don't have a problem with them. They must pack and leave. They occupy the buildings. They do as they wish. But now our government sees that these people, they are overdoing things in us. Because it's years we were complaining as leaders to say we are sick and tired of what is happening. Our children are dying. If a man loves you, he must take you back where he's coming from. We cannot marry a man from Nigeria to be my husband in South Africa. If he loves me, take me to Nigeria, wherever. Let them go with their wife, with their kids. That will be fine for us. Thank you.
Please don't forget to scroll in this very same channel. There are videos, there are other videos that I've posted here. More especially the live stream I've found on TikTok, whereby these Nigerian guys, they decided to start a live stream, and then their mission was to invite South Africans and then asking them what is their problem. You will hear in those, I think there are 2 episodes that I've posted, you'll hear how they are taking South Africans. Those videos, this lead is reminding me of those 2 videos that I've posted. You will hear the things that they were saying about us as South Africans, how stupid South Africans are, how lazy South Africans are, how South Africans men, they lack self-confidence, things like that. It's here.
Guys! Oh, bethuna! Isiko sipi? Na, bayan! Okay. No, number. Okay.
This is New Space Supermarket. This is the one that is in charge. The Chinese official, the workers here are being paid about 700 rand, and these are the foreigners. Hey, where are you going? When you talk umzula ngithi manje nawe lokuqina kwakho ubuswanga. Hey, uyazi uzungu? Yeah, ilona China leli eliqasha abantu elihlukumeza abantu. Libaholela about 700 rand a week. Liyabahlohla lethi abaqamanga abantu bahola imali enkulu. We are used to that. We are shutting down this shop. They will open once they comply with all the rules and regulations of our country. New Space, Pietermaritzburg. We are targeting Pietermaritzburg. We are targeting Chinese shops. We'll shut them down, all of them.
Operating in a big shop like that without a permit. So you must close. No. You must close the shop.
This place.
Close the shop. Close the shop. Okay, we are going to close for you.
How much your lock is?
And let's buy that lock and lock.
If you want to close
lock them
by
outside.
yourself, we are going to close. Buy the lock.
We are not buying the lock, we're changing
Are we locking you inside?
You want to lock you inside? Huh? Want to lock you inside? No, we can lock you inside. If you don't want to come out, we can lock you inside.
How much is this? How much is it?
Wow, if you have made it to this part of the video, to the last part of the video, I'd like to say to you, thank you so much. And please subscribe. You cannot watch the whole video like this and not subscribe. Please subscribe and just give us that like, because it helps to grow the channel. It helps the video to go. We have these videos that we are planning to give you each and every week. It will be nicer also if you will be part of this channel and help us to grow with us. We're gonna be having another video. We post almost every day, so please subscribe so that you don't miss out. Thanks. Bye.